How to fix rtux64w10.sys BSOD error in Windows. Outdated or corrupted network drivers are one of the most common causes of the rtux64w10.sys blue screen error. Updating the driver can often resolve the issue. Expand the Network Adapters section. Right-click on the Realtek Ethernet device and choose Update Driver. Select Search automatically for drivers and let Windows find the latest version. Restart your PC after the update is complete. If that didn't work, reinstalling the driver can refresh its configuration and resolve persistent issues. Restart your computer. Windows will automatically reinstall the default driver. If that didn't work, corrupted or missing system files can cause critical errors. Running SFC and DISM scans can detect and repair these issues. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. After entering all command, restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, malware or viruses can corrupt driver files and cause system instability, including blue screen errors. You can use Microsoft Safety Scanner or the built-in Windows Defender as follows. Ensuring that your Windows system is fully updated can fix compatibility issues that might contribute to the rtux64w10.sys blue screen error. If optional updates are available, install them as well. When all the update processes are complete, restart your computer.